Okay. So let's start with your second quarterly exam review. So this is Mr. Ibarra and I will help you ace your quarterly exam. Okay? So you already have your pointers to review. Okay? That was given by your math teachers. So let's start. So the first question is, which of the following is the degree of the function? Okay? So, if you are going to look for the degree of the function, just look at the highest exponent. Okay? So, highest exponent here is 513. So, automatically that will be your degree of the polynomial function given. Okay? Next, which of the following is the leading coefficient? Okay? So, since this term has the highest degree, okay, or the highest exponent, so this is our leading term. So, kapag nandiyan si leading term, nandiyan din si leading coefficient which is 9. Okay? So, 2 points na yun. Next. Okay? So, don't mind this. So, let's have these polynomial functions. So, L of x, O of x, V of x, and E of x. Okay? So, let's add L of x plus O of x. So, that is 2x cubed minus x squared minus x plus 6 minus 5x cubed plus 4x squared minus 3x minus 7. Okay. So, first step is to combine like terms. Okay? So, combine like terms. Okay? So, paano natin malalaman kapag like terms sila? Of course, just look at the exponent. So, pag same sila na exponent, meaning same sila ng term. Okay? So, let's combine. So, we have 2x cubed minus 5x cubed. So, 2x cubed minus 5x cubed. So, that is negative 3x cubed. Okay? Next. So, tapos na yan. So, may technique ako dyan. So, tanggalin nyo na siya. Para hindi kayo malito. Pag hindi na importante, alisin nyo na. Okay? So, next. May ka-same term ba dyan si negative x squared? Okay? So, meron. Ayun, si 4x squared. So, negative x squared or negative 1 plus 4 is 3. So, positive 3x squared. Next. O, tanggalin na ulit natin. Si negative x ba may kaparehas? Yes. Ito. So, that is negative 4x. Okay? So, tanggalin ulit natin. And 6 minus 7 is negative 1. Okay? So, this is the L of x plus O of x. Sorry, plus O of x. Okay, next. So, let's compute for L of x minus E of x. Okay, sorry for my voice. Okay, babalik din yan sa normal. So, L of x is 2x cubed. So, this is number 1. Number 2. So, 2x cubed minus x squared minus x plus 6 minus the E of x. So, x plus 2 squared. Okay? Sige, para hindi kayo mahirapan, i-perform na natin operation nito. Expand na natin siya. So, x plus 2 times x plus 2. So, that is x squared. So, we are going to use FOIL method, ha? FOIL method. So, first, outer, inner, last. So, first, x squared, outer, plus 2x is 4x. Plus 4. Okay. So, this is equal to x squared. Sulitan natin siya para hindi na kayo malito mamaya. Plus 4. Okay, next. So, 2x cubed minus x squared minus x plus 6 minus x squared plus 4x minus 4. So we have to distribute the negative sign in each term. Oh, sorry. Okay. So negative x squared, negative 4x, and positive 4. Okay. So 2x cubed minus x squared minus x plus 6. Minultiply ko lang yan isa-isa dyan. Okay. So again, combine like terms. So may kaparehas bang term si 2x cubed? So wala. So we just have to copy. Excuse me. So next, negative x squared minus negative x squared. So that is negative 2x squared. So tanggalin na natin to para hindi tayo malito. Okay, negative x minus 4x. So that is negative 5x. And last, plus, so negative x, tanggalin natin, 6 plus 4 plus positive 10. Okay, so that's it. Oh, wala naman na siyang same term. So that is our L of x minus E of x. Okay, next. So what is number 3? So 2 of EX, so sorry, 2 times E of x. So ang ating E of x is 2x squared minus 5x plus 6 plus V of x, which is, yun, buti na lang na natin siya in-expand. So x squared plus 4x plus 4. Okay. So let's use distributive property here. So 2 times 2x squared. So 4x squared. So next, 2 times negative 5x, so negative 10x. 2 times 6, so 12. Okay, be careful. So plus x squared plus 4x plus 4. Okay, same thing as we did earlier. So we are just going to combine like terms. So si 4x squared ba may kaparehas na terms? Yes. So 4x squared plus 5x. So that is 5x squared. Tanggalin na natin. Next, negative 10x. Meron ba? So negative 10 plus 4. So that is negative 6x. Okay, and last, 12 plus 4, that is 16. Okay? So, check natin. Double check. Baka may nagkamali tayong sign. Negative 10. Okay, that's it. So, this is our answer. So, 2 E of x plus V of x. Okay, next, number 4. So, E of x times V of x. Yan. Multiplication ng polynomials naman. So, V of x, so x squared plus 4x plus 4. Sorry, hindi pala kita. Ayan. Next, we have, so multiply 2x squared minus Vx plus 6. Ayan yung given natin. So, paano ba mag-multiply ng polynomial functions? Okay, so just distribute, okay, this term to this term or this term to this term. Okay, so let's choose, sige, ito na lang i-distribute natin. Okay, so we have x squared times 2x squared minus 5x plus 6. Medyo mahaba ito, plus 4x times 2x squared minus 5x plus 6. Yan. And plus 4 plus 4. So 2x squared minus 5x plus 6. Okay, so next, so distributive property na tayo. So x squared times 2x squared is 2x raised to 4. Next, x squared minus 5x. So that is negative 5x cubed plus 6x squared. Okay, next. So plus, so 4x times 2x squared, so that is 8x cubed. 4x times negative 5x, so that is negative 20x. 4x times 6, so that is 24x. Oh, sorry, this is 20x squared. So this is x. Okay? Again, be careful. Okay? So kahit ako, medyo nagkakamali pa ako dyan. So plus 4 times 2, so 8x squared. Next, 4 times negative 5x, so that is negative 20x plus 24. O yan, medyo malilito na kayo dyan. Okay? So, ang tip na ibibigay ko sa inyo dito is i-combine nyo na lang siya ng maayos. Okay? Pagsamasamahin na natin yung mga parehas na term muna. Okay? Before natin siya i-perform. So, 2x raised to 4. Sit lang. Baka may magkamali tayo dito. Tama naman. Okay. Oh, sorry. Gumagalaw naman siya. Ayan. So, tayo mag-adjust. Ayan. So, wala siyang kapares na term. How about negative 5x cubed? Meron. So, negative 5x cubed plus 8x cubed. Ano pa? Wala na. So, si 6x squared naman plus 6x squared minus 20x squared. Ayan. Plus 8x squared. Sunod. So, tanggalin na natin ito. Meron na to. Ito din. Meron na to. Then, meron na to. Okay, si 24x naman. Plus 24x minus 20x plus 24. Ayan. Magkakasama na yung mga like terms. So, hindi na kayo dyan medyo mahihirapan. Okay? So, 2x raised to 4. So, negative 5 plus 8. So, that is 3. Okay? So, 3x cubed. Okay? So, tapos na tayo dito. Next, so 6x cubed minus 20x, sorry, 6x squared minus 20x squared plus 8x squared. So 6 minus 20, so that is negative 14. So negative 14 plus 8, so that is negative 6 x squared. Okay, next. So, plus 24x minus 20x, so that is positive 4x plus 24. Okay, so that's it. So, wala naman na siyang same term, so that is our final answer. Next question. What is the quotient of x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 1? Is divided by x minus 3. Okay? So, we can use here either synthetic division or long division, but I prefer synthetic division na lang. Sige. So, let's get the coefficients. So, we have 1, negative 3, positive 3, minus 1. Sinulat ko talaga yung positive. Sige. Anyway, so, let's equate this to 0. So, x minus 3 is equal to 0. So, add both sides by 3. So, x is equal to 3. Okay? So, we put 3 here. And, okay. Next. So, again, be careful kasi may nagkakamali dito. Okay? So, for example, this is 0. Okay? So, wala ito rito. So, 3x squared minus 1 kaagad. So, you have to put 0 here if ever nawala ito. Okay? So, let's start with our synthetic division. So, my suggestion, you put it here agad. Okay. So, 1. So, bring down 1. 1 times 3. So, 3. So, negative 3 plus 3. So, that is 0. Okay? So, 0 times 3 is 0 ulit. So, 3 plus 0 is 3 3 times 3, that is 9. So, answer is 8. Okay? So, wait. That is not yet our remainder. So, we have to copy this. Okay, so since x cubed divided by x is x squared, so we are going to put x squared here. Okay, so 0 c x squared, I see x. So this will become, so plus 0 plus 3 plus 8 over x minus 3. Okay, sige, ayusin natin. So x squared plus 3 plus 8 over x minus 3. Okay? So, this is the remainder. 8 over x minus 3. Okay, next. Question. What is the remainder if x cubed minus 3x squared minus 4. Oh no. So yung first question natin, ang question is, what is the quotient? Okay, sorry. So what is the quotient? This is the quotient. X squared plus 3, itong buong ito. Okay? So if tinanong kayo what is the remainder, your answer is just this. Your answer is just this. Okay? Next. So what is the remainder if x cubed minus 3x squared minus 4 is divided by x plus 1. So, divided by x plus 1. Okay, so let's use the synthetic division again. So 1, negative 3, negative 4. Okay, so equate to 0. So x plus 1, so that will become negative 1. Again, sulat nyo na ito. Hindi ka mahirapan. So, 1 times negative 1. So, that is negative 1. So, add negative 4. Okay? So, negative 4 times negative 1. So, that is positive 4. So, this will become 0. Okay? So, since x cubed divided by x is x squared. So, this is x squared. X squared minus 4x. Ay, sorry. Tama. X, 4x. Okay, next question. So, find the polynomial function of f of x whose zeros are 7, negative 1, and 1/2. Okay? So, may tip pa kami bibigay sa inyo right after this solution. Sige. Okay. So, 7 is our zero. So, factor nito is x minus 7. So, 7 came from this factor. So, x plus 1. And 2x minus 1. Okay? So, some of you is asking why 1/2 is 2x minus 1. It's because 2x minus 1, when we equate it to 0, so plus 1 plus 1. So, 2x is equal to 1. Divide 2 both sides, so x is equal to 1/2. So that is 2x minus 1. Okay, next. So our next step is to FOIL method. Okay, multiply these two factors. So x squared. Okay, so that is our first term. So next we have outer, which is x or 1x minus 7x plus, negative 7. Okay, next. So, can we still simplify this? Yes. So, x squared minus 6x minus 7 times 2x minus 1. So, we can still solve for this one. So, distribute. So, si 2x times x squared minus 6x minus 7 negative 1 times x squared minus 6x minus 7. Okay? So, dito itong dalawang ito galing to dito. Okay, next. So, distributive property. So, 2x cubed minus 12x squared minus 14x. So, dinistribute ko lang yan dyan. Okay? Next. So, negative 1 times this equation, it's like just getting the inverse, okay, of this, of the sign here. So, negative x squared, positive 6x, positive 7. Okay. So, after this, so since meron tayong mga same terms, we have to simplify. So, combine the like terms. We have 2x cubed. So, wala siyang kapare sa term. How about negative 12x squared? So, meron. So, we have this, negative 12x squared minus x squared. So, that is negative 13x squared. Okay. Next, we have negative 14x plus 6x. So, that is negative 8x. Okay. Next, plus 7. So, this polynomial function has zeros, 7, negative 1, 1/2. So, check natin siya using the calculator. Okay? So, sa exam naman, you have options, right? So, you can use the options, okay, to see kung saan doon yung magtatama yung 0 dito. Okay? Using our calculator. So, if you have fx570 es plus, you can use this technique. So, click mode. Okay? So, let's use 5. Click 5 for the equation. So, 2x cubed. So, pipili natin dito is yung may x cubed din. So, now, that is number 4. Okay? And then, input yung mga coefficients. So, we have 2 equals negative 13 equals negative 8 equals and 7. Okay? So, equal lang. So, ayun, 7. So, we have 7. Tama. Tama. Sumunod, we have 1/2. Tama din. And lastly, negative 1. Okay? So, that is your technique. Next question. Sorry. Yeah. So, find the value of k so that x minus 4 is a factor of f of x is equal to 2x cubed plus x squared plus 3kx minus 36. Okay. So, paano po ito gagawin? Okay. So, since meron tayo ditong sample na factor from this equation, we can use this as the value, to get the value of x of this equation. So, we have 2x cubed plus x squared plus 3kx minus 36. Okay? So, we are going to solve for x. So, tandaan nyo lang, ang ending nyo dapat dito is k is equal to a number. Okay? So, let's equate x minus 4 to 0. So, add 4 both sides. So, x is equal to 4. Okay? So, we can use this as value of x. So, 2 raised to 4 cubed plus 4 squared plus 3k4 minus 36. Okay, don't worry, you are allowed to use calculator. Okay? So, 4 cubed, that is 64 times 2. So, 128 plus 4 squared, 16. 4 times 3, that is 12. Minus 36. Okay? Oh, nakalimutan ko si k. Ayan. Next. Oh, so this is equal to 0. Ito rin. Okay, next. So, combine the constants. So, 128 plus 16 minus 36. That is 108. So, 12k plus 108 is equal to 0. So to get the value of k, so subtract negative 108 both sides. So negative 108. So 0 na ito. So 12k is equal to negative 108. So to get the value of k, so divide both sides to 12. So 12 divided by 12 is 1. So hindi na natin siya isusulat. K is equal to negative 9. Okay, that's it. So k is equal to negative 9. So to check this, pwede nyo i-substitute si k dito. Okay? Next. Okay. Which of the following is a zero of f of x is equal to x cubed minus 3x squared minus 4x plus 12. Okay? So again, we may use the technique that I gave you earlier. So 5, 4, and x cubed. So input the coefficients, negative 3, negative 4, 12. Yan, equal nyo lang. So you have negative 2, 3, 2, positive 2. Okay. So, saan dito? So, we have letter B. Okay? So, to check, if you substitute negative 2 sa ating mga x dito, sa ating polynomial function, the answer should be 0. Okay? Next question. Okay, which of the following is not a possible zero of the polynomial function 2x cubed minus x squared minus 13x minus 6? Okay? So, paano natin makukuha yun? Diba, we use r over s to get the possible rational roots. Okay? So, r over s. So, si r is the factors of the constant. So, ano ba mga factors ni constant? So, we have negative, positive and negative 1, positive and negative 2, positive and negative 3, positive and negative 4. Divided by positive and negative 1, positive and negative 2. Okay? So this become, oh sorry, but may 4 dito. So tanggalin natin muna si 4. Sorry. Yan, tanggalin natin yan. Okay. So ano yung mga possible zero natin? Okay? So pasok ba si 1? Yes. Okay? So positive and negative 1, pasok siya. Positive. So si positive and negative 2, pasok din. Okay? Pag dinivide mo siya kay positive and negative 1. Si positive and negative 3. So, pasok din si 3. So, sino yung hindi pasok? So, we have letter B. So, answer is letter B.